This message is for Paris Hilton. And if you're not Paris Hilton, we'll do whatever. Hi, Paris. May I call you Miss Hilton? No, it's Paris Hilton. Hello, Paris. You may or may not remember me from the DM that I accidentally sent. It was like my face kind of, but with like a fire emoji. I didn't mean to send that, but I don't know that I did not mean to send that. I was watching your stories about your cute little pink cookware, and I am obsessed with trying to cook in little tiny things. And I was like waiting to see like if you had a teeny tiny waffle maker or something. Anyway, I've been doing these like silly videos on occasion, cooking in motel rooms, and I often stay at Hilton's. This isn't an ad, but I've cooked some meals in some little teeny things, and since I accidentally DM'd you, I figured that opened a line of communication between the two of us. And if I'm incorrect, it's fine. I'm apologize now. But I think maybe this could be a good idea for a travel cooking show where I make food in motel rooms, probably. Because like you have that connection, I'm guessing some kind of a discount as well. Because I am poor. Unless I can go viral doing what I love, which is cooking and being funny. I don't know why I'm still whispering. Anyway, if you're still watching, congratulations on your kids. I'm really proud of you and the woman that you've become and blossomed into. Anyway, think about it and just let me know. You have the best day.